Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I am going to discuss about the faculty recruitment notification, and this notification has come from SR University. So guys, before going to discuss about this notification in detail, please subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is the official website of SR University. In the career section, I have opened it. Here you can see notification for the post of faculty. Here notification they have given. When you will follow this link, you can see here complete details regarding this notification. So applications are invited for the post of faculty positions in the Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, School of Engineering, School of Agriculture, School of Business and others department, Mathematics, English, Physics and Product Design. Okay, so lots of vacancy they have released, and we will see about the qualification and experience. For the professor, they have mentioned here PhD degree in relevant field and first class or equivalent at either bachelor or master level in the relevant branch, and minimum qualification and a research publication they have mentioned here, or at least 10 research publication at the level of associate professor in SCI journals. So this is the requirement for professor, and they have mentioned here for the associate professor qualification and related publication, and for the assistant professor they have mentioned here degree related information, and they have mentioned here note for computer science and engineering candidates with MSc, MCA or MTech are also eligible. So the candidate who have qualified a master degree in science, computer application or technology, they can also apply here for the post of assistant professor. Okay, and let's see the detail about the faculty position in the School of Agriculture. They have mentioned here, just read the information. So before applying in this university, just read the information thoroughly and then you can apply. Okay, so here they have mentioned the candidate who did not qualified NET, SLET or SET, but they have qualified PhD, they can apply. Okay, so here NET, SLET and SET candidate can also apply. Okay, and if you see here, they have mentioned the PhD degree related information. So the candidate who have qualified PhD degree, they don't need NET, SLET or SET requirement. Okay, so now you can scroll down and you can see for the School of Business professor requirement they have given here for the qualification, research experience and related all the information. And for associate professor they have mentioned here all the qualification, and for assistant professor they have given here. So just read the information. For mathematics, physics and English department, they have mentioned here for the professor's degree, associate professor degree and for the assistant professor. So again they have given here for the candidate who have qualified NET, SLET or SET, they can also apply. Okay. And for the product design professor requirement, associate professor and assistant professor, and corresponding they have mentioned the qualification, and here they have mentioned the general information, and the salary they will provide you as per the UGC or AICTE norms. So this is the information regarding qualification, research experience as well as teaching experience. Okay, now I will show you how you can apply in this university. So just come back on this page, career section of this university, and here they have mentioned here apply online, and here they have given the link. When you will follow this link, you can see the Google form for the SR University recruitment, and here they have mentioned all the information which you have to fill. Okay, so in the 3 page they have given, means all the your personal details as well as teaching experience, research experience as well as degree related information you have to fill, as well as you have to upload your CV. Okay, so to fill this application, just come to this page and fill all the details. Okay, and I hope this information will be helpful for you, and please like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel for such kind of information. Okay, thank you so much.